Hi. I'm Abigail C. Almoit from NR23. Let's talk about avocados. Avocados are unique fruits native to the highlands of Mexico, Guatemala, and the Pacific coast of Central America. They are a staple in diets where fatty meats, fish, or dairy foods are limited. In fact, avocado often is used as a substitute for meat in sandwiches. What's in the name? While today we refer to it as an avocado, the yummy green fruit has experienced its own bit of an identity crisis through the years with misinterpretations of its name and potential side effects. The word avocado is believed to be derived from the Nahuatl word ahuacatl, which means testicle and obviously describes the shape of the fruit. It also likely refers to the fact that believed the avocado to be an aphrodisiac. An early English name for the fruit, dating back to the 17th century, was avocado pear, which lazy speakers misinterpreted as alligator pear, and due to the fruit's alligator skin-like exterior, the name stuck until a marketing effort from American growers in the early 1900s successfully changed the name to avocado. According to the National Center for Biotechnology information, these are the nutrition facts for about 1/2, or 68 grams of an avocado. 80 calories. 4 grams carbs. 1 gram protein. 3 grams fiber. And 8 grams fat. Thank you for watching.